To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then tap the calls or call history icon at the top of the screen. You will then see a list of your recent voice and video calls. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. If you want to delete specific call records, tap Batch Delete from the menu, then select the records you want to remove. And then tap the bin icon in the top right corner. The selected call records will be deleted from your call history. If you want to clear the entire call history, tap the three dots in the top right corner again. From the drop-down menu, tap Clear. From the confirmation window, tap Delete to confirm. All call history will be permanently deleted from the app. This keeps your call history organized and protects your privacy. So that's how you can clear call history on IMO.